In this video I will teach you how to get custom wallpapers and custom widgets for your iPhone, such as this wallpaper and these widgets. But before we get on to the video, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button to never miss a tutorial. So first you need to open the App Store and search up the app Myscreen, then install it. I already have it installed, as you can see. Pause the video here while you install it. So once you have it installed, open the app. Now you can see a bunch of wallpapers. To install the wallpapers, just tap on one you like and click the download button, and it is as simple as just adding a new wallpaper with that downloaded image. So at the bottom bar you should see the catalog button. Tap on that and the scroll at the top of the screen until you see home screen widgets, then click on that and download the widget you want. There is a huge assortment of widgets to choose from. You can put as many as you want on your home screen. I will install this one. You do not have to install this one. Now go to your home screen, and hold down on a space where there is no apps, then click the Edit button in the top left corner, then click Add Widget, then search for Myscreen and pick the size of widget you want to add. Then hold down on the widget and click Edit Widget and choose the widget you just added. It should say the date and time that the widget was downloaded in the name. You can also use this app to get custom icons for your apps. If you want me to show you how to do that, tell me in the comments. And that is how to add custom widgets to your home screen on iPhone. I hope this was useful and helpful to you. Please like and consider subscribing. It would really mean a lot. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.